Turn on the sound. This is me syncing the sound. Hi. Hallo Leute! As you can tell, baby, I'm super excited. I have an announcement to make that I've been waiting to make for months now and wanted to make for years before that. Deutschfüreuch has merch now, and you can go buy it. And I made all of it. Yeah, I actually made all of it. I designed everything, and I had to find a supplier and that made everything I wanted them to make, etc., etc. It's been a long process. Hold on, I gotta wait for an ambulance to pass. There we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna ramble a bit about the process of making this merch because I'm so freaking proud of it. But if you don't care about that, the link is in the description. You can find it all on my website. When you go on my website, you will find a tab at the top that says merch, and there it will take you to all the different categories of merch. So go wild and get whatever you would like. I took specific care to make designs that aren't just like boring merch and just like, here's a logo. No, go with that. But instead, also designing pieces that I think actually look cool and you might want to put on and put in your room and write into, etc. I'll get to that in a second. So yeah, please go check it out. Please go get something because my soul will shatter into a million pieces if nobody ends up buying any of this merch. And I'm not kidding. Let me show you some of the stuff we have here. This is a mug with a logo. I was a bit nervous about the quality, but so far all of the examples I've gotten and ordered, I must say are great. Like, the only thing I haven't liked so far is that on the sticker that says, I love DFE, which you can also get at the store, all of the letters are separate. So like the, hold on. So this is the D, and then this is the F. So those are separate, but you might even consider that an advantage if you want to glue them separately for some reason. So that's kind of the only thing I haven't liked so far. So yeah, back to the mug. So I really like the printing quality of this. I hope it refocuses so you can see the mug. And look at how beautiful it is. Also, I finally managed to redesign my logo and look and style because of this. Still need to update my intro. If anyone's interested in helping me with that, please send me an email. But anyway, besides the point. I've of course have a bunch of stuff with the logo, and then I really like the background I made for this, the like arrows and the colors, because I find like the colors of the German flag, they can be kind of aggressive. So I toned them down, and so what I also made is this heart. Das Heart is what it is. And this is also on several things. I have it as a t-shirt here, but you can get it on bags, on mugs, on stickers, on notebooks. Oh yeah, there's notebooks. I don't have one of them here, but you can order physical, like, little books that you can write in with prints, with DFE prints. I think that's really cool. There's a bunch of designs published now, go check it out. Also, oh yeah, there's pillows. Oh, I didn't get the pillow, but there's pillows and blankets. This is a blanket. It's really, really fluffy, and it's soft, and it's glossy, and I really like how the prints come out. It has the logo on it too. If I can find it. Here it is. See? And you can actually read everything and everything. I don't know if that's super special, but like it's super surreal to me to have stuff that I designed actually come in like physical form. But, and I maybe should have brought this up earlier, but I'm just gonna bank on the fact that you are watching all of this. I have beanies. Because I could not have made all this without making beanies, because what would even be the point? This, they're available in red. So this is the red version of this one. And it's just simply die Mütze. Can you read that? It's die Mütze. And under here it says noun, female. Because that's what it is. So you can get die Mütze in black, green, and red. And what I like about all of this is it's actually embroidered on. So you see, this is not printed. It's actually stitched into it. I have another one here with a logo. You can wear it on the side, all cheeky. I'm most excited about die Mütze because I just really like this idea of wearing a noun on your head. What else? Oh yeah, pillows. A pillow! And soft. I feel like I'm gonna say that about everything because this t-shirt is super soft too. So yeah. Also has the logo on it in color. I really like this design. I'm calling this the DFE flag. I just think it goes well with a lot of stuff. I'm also making socks and flip-flops. I imagine the socks are more interesting in winter, but you might use the flip-flops for moving around the house. This is a pair of flip-flops. It's a bit dirty already because it's white and I've actually been using them. They're pretty comfortable. They don't hurt my toes, which my toes are sensitive to flip-flops usually, so that's also good. They stink when they come out of the packaging, but luckily that stink goes away pretty fast. These flip-flops have a bunch of German compounds on it. I call it word Lego. So it's a bunch of cool words that mostly only exist in German and say very specific things. You can check it out on the website. So all the products you can get right now are, of course, first and foremost, beanies. Those are like at the top of the list. There's also caps. There's t-shirts, there's hoodies, there's socks, there's flip-flops, there's bags, like gym bags, there's also going to be rucksacks in the future, there's laptop sleeves, there's stickers, there's notebooks, I'm still putting up posters, pillows, blankets, towels, you know, all kinds of stuff. Just go out, check out the website. I put so much love and effort into this. I did everything myself, and I'm excited for it. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but then a few months back, somebody actually expressly expressed interest in DFE merch in chat in one of my live streams. So thank you to whoever that was. I don't remember who you were, but that did give me the final push because before that, I never really knew if I was the only person interested in making merch. So yeah, that's there. Go check it out. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know if everything works out. Oh, and of course, man, I completely forgot. I have a coupon code to give you. You go to my website and you put in the code LAUNCH. You can get a 15% discount off of whatever you buy, because I want to say thank you to everyone who tries out the stuff immediately. I hope that's everything. If it isn't, then I will put in a voiceover now. 1, 2, 3, go. If it is, then I'm happy and I'm excited. Anyway, I've been rambling enough. I feel like I should say more, but I probably shouldn't, other than this is really cool and I hope you buy my merch. Buy my merch! Bis dann. Tschüss! Yay! I get so awkward expressing genuine excitement in front of a camera. I get awkward expressing genuine excitement in general. But it is genuine.